everyone, welcome to Geeta's classes. Today we will do multiplication on abacus. Now I will show you how to multiply on abacus. Now suppose we have a number 65 multiplied by 3. Now 65 multiplied by 3, we will count all the numbers. Here we will have multiplicand and multiplier. Now we will take all the numbers. So we will count it as a number. So this is our number 1, 2, 3. We have 3 numbers. These are some rules that we have to apply on abacus. So 3 numbers. It means this is a unit place, this is a tens place, this is a hundred place. So we have to start from 100 place. Now first what we will do, normally we are doing 3 into 5, but here we will do 3 into 6. 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. So we will start from 100 place. So this is a unit, tens, 100. So 3 into 6 is 18. So 1 from a 100 place and 8 from a tens place. Now this much done. Then the 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So 1 from tens place and 5 from unit place. So we got answer 195. Now one more example. In same way we have to count the numbers. So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers means unit, tens, 100. From which place we have to start the sum? From 100 place. In same way, first you have to multiply 8 into 4. So 8 into 4 is 32. Always after each and every sum, first set your abacus to 0. Now 8 into 4 is 32. So 3 from a 100 place and 2 from a tens place. Now next number is 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16. So 1 from a tens place and 6 from a unit place. So we got answer 336. 336. So in same way we will do one more example. First we will take the place, unit, tens, 100. It means we have to start from 100 place. Again set your abacus to 0. Now same way 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So 2 from a 100 place and 5 from a tens place. Now next number 5 into 1. Now always remember, whenever we are getting a single number, always we have to add 0. So we will write 0, 5. We will not take only 5, we will take 0, 5. So 0 from a tens place and 5 from a unit place. So we got answer 255. 255. Now I had taken some more examples of big numbers. Suppose we have a 4-digit numbers. First we will count the numbers, unit, tens, 100, 1000. Now we have a 4 number, 1, 2, 3, 4 in same way. But it's reached the place till 1000, unit, tens, 100, 1000. So we start our sum from a 1000 place. Again set your abacus to 0. So what we have to do now? First, 8 multiplied by 1. 8 into 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. So we will take 0, 8. It means 0 from a 1000 place and 8 from a 100 place. Now the next number, again 8 into 1. 8 into 1 is again 8. So we will take 0, 8 because whenever we are getting the single number, we are taking 0. So 0, 8 means 0 from a 100 place and 8 from a tens place. So next number we have a 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. So 3 from a tens place and 2 from a unit place. Now here 3 from a tens place, it's not possible because already we had taken the 3. So we will apply a big friend formula, minus 7 plus 10 and 2 from a unit place. So we got answer 912, 912. So in same way we will do all the sums. First we will count the numbers. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 matlab which place? So unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Thousand place. So we will start the sum from our thousand place. And first you always remember, first you have to always multiply with the first number. We don't start from the unit place. Start from a last number, whatever we have. So here we have a thousand number, thousand place. So 6 into 2 is 12. So set your abacus to 0 first. Now 6 into 12, 2 is 12. So 1 from a thousand place and 2 from a 100 place. Now the next step is 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. 3 from a 100 place and 0 from a tens place. Now here G3 is not possible. So apply the small friend formula, minus 2 plus 5. 0, no need to take any number. Now only one number left, 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. 3 from a tens place and 6 from a unit place. So we got answer 1536. 1536. 1536. I will solve one more example for you to clear the concept. So same, we have to count the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from which place we have to start? From fourth place. So our fourth place is thousand place. So we will start from a thousand place. So first 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. Again set your abacus to 0 first. Now 7 into 7 is 49. So 4 from a thousand place and 9 from a 100 place. Now 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56. So 7 into 8 is 56. 5 from a 100 place and 6 from a tens place. 5 from a 100 place, it's not possible. So we will apply the formula big friend. So minus 5 plus 10 plus 1 not possible. Minus 4 plus 5. This is our small friend formula that we are applying. And 6 from a tens place. Now 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. So 1 from a tens place and 4 from a unit place. So we got answer 5474. 5474. It means 5474. In this way you can multiply the 2 digit with 1 digit, 3 digit with 1 digit, or 4 with 1, or 5 digit with 1 digit. In this way you can in a simple way multiply on abacus. In my next video, I will show you how to multiply the 2 numbers with 2 numbers or 3 numbers with 2 numbers. If you have any doubt, please share your doubt in comment box. And if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.